UML diagram in Eclipse. In our demonstration, we have used Eclipse Oxygen version, and in that particular Eclipse Oxygen version, we have incorporated one plugin so that you can draw the class diagrams of our respective examples. So that's why this UML diagram means actually we have included the how to draw the class diagrams from the existing classes defined in our applications. So let us discuss with you how to install one plugin so that you can draw class diagrams using Eclipse editor. So Eclipse, we know that Eclipse is a very popular IDE with the help of which we develop and we write our codes in different platforms. So there are different plugins that are available to integrate UML diagrams with Eclipse, and here we have used the Object Aid UML plugin. So the Object Aid UML plugin, this particular explorer is installed from within Eclipse with these are the following steps. So I shall show you that how this Object Aid UML explorer can be installed. This plugin can be installed in our Eclipse from the Eclipse. In the Eclipse main menu, go to the help and then one option is there, that is install new software. In the available software page of the install wizard, please place the add button. So you're supposed to click on the add button, and in the add repository dialog, enter this information and press OK. So now you can give other names also, but it is better to give this name, that is the Object Aid UML Explorer, and URL will be this one. So this is the URL you are supposed to give there. The next step is the install dialog will now show the available Object Aid plugins. Please select what you would like to install and press next. On the install details page, you should be able to simply press next button, and on the review licenses page, you need to accept the Object Aid license and press finish to begin the installation process. You will receive a security warning message because the Object Aid jars are not signed. Please press OK to continue with that. Once the installation is complete, you will be asked if you want to restart now or not now or apply changes now. To be safe, please press the restart now button and the Object Aid UML Explorer will be available after the restart. So these are the steps which are to be followed to install that plugin in our Eclipse IDE, that is the integrated development environment, so that you can draw our UML diagrams with the respective applications. So let us go for one demonstration where we shall show you how these steps have been followed. So here is the demonstration for you.
Now we shall add one plugin to Eclipse so that we can draw UML diagrams and particularly class diagrams onto our Eclipse software. So going for the help and then coming to this install new software. So here we are going for this add, giving a name, and here this is the respective URL from where we will be getting our plugin. Making a copy of it. Now we have expanded all of them. Now going for this Object Aid class diagram. So this respective plugin I require. Next. Now hitting on next. Accepting the license agreement, going for finish. Now the software has got installed and it has been asked to restart the Eclipse. So restarting the Eclipse now. Now we shall open one pre-existing Java project where multiple classes are there. So now at first right button click, go to new, and then we shall come to other. Clicking on this object 8 UML diagram, we'll be getting this one. So object 8 class diagram, go for next, giving a name here, say adapter UML, going for finish. So it is nothing but a file actually, you see. So we can close it, also we can bring it back if I require. Now selecting all the classes, and then if I bring them here, then automatically the class diagram is getting formed. So in this video, we have shown you that how to load the required plugin to draw the class diagrams in Eclipse, and how to draw the class diagrams against a certain Java project. Thanks for watching this video.